We're at the cemetery here. We're gonna try to find some cicadas and film them. I hear them, they're pretty loud. No kidding.
Look at this tree. This little tree still full of it.
Alright. These things are going crazy. I've had a bunch of them hit me in the head, land on me everywhere. And these things are secreting out some kind of liquid. I don't know what it is, and I got shot a few times with it, so I'm gonna have to research that and see what if you look on the ground here, there's all kinds of shells on there, so kind of weird insects. We're gonna walk around the cemetery and see if we can find some more of these things. Oh, okay.
But what happens if you would dig down in the ground? Would you see them? I know. Look at all these little tree over here.
Turd. I got shot with some kind of juice or something.
I saw it a couple times.
You get shot with that juice? What is that stuff?
I don't know. But we just have them flying around us.
Yeah.
Flying, but making the noise.
Yeah.
Oh,
So it doesn't make noise with the wings.
They liked Eric. I think he was wanting to
They like
mate with Eric.
mate with Eric. Yeah.
A lot of them land on me.
Yep.
World War II.
Wow. Look at all in here. I mean,
No neat.
yeah.
So we've seen quite a few cicadas here, and we're gonna head out of here and see what else we can find. So it's day 2 of my cicada hunt, and man, these things are flying all around me. I'm at David Cemetery in Kettering, Ohio, and this thing's just landed on my hand, man. But there's a lot of cicada activity over here. The brood 10 cicadas, these things are nuts. I came over here to see about them. It's a pretty cool, it's a pretty nice cemetery here. A big American flag, that's awesome. Holy crap, look at all these cicadas. Holy nuts. Good lord. It's a lot. God, man. Something I discovered yesterday while filming these cicadas, I kept noticing a liquid coming out of them. I looked that up, and that is urine, aka honeydew. I guess they get it from the trees and just let it loose. I got peed on several times by these cicadas. Get the hell off. They make this weird noise, and I don't get what the heck. Man. Good God. Oh, I feel one crawl in the back of my neck. Ah, good. Anyways, and I got peed on again. Very weird, quite strange insects, and I think I'm not done with them. So anyways, go back in the ground and see this guy in a few more years. This is what I hate about cicadas, right in the back of my neck. God. Stupid things just keep flying all around you and landing on you. I don't know. About 2 more weeks of this crap, and we're done with them. So, thanks for watching. The heck? Get that thing out of the car. Good Lord, man.
Get out of here, you goofball.
Is there more on me?